Let's give a warm welcome to Battle for the Beehive. Yeah, we got it now.
Not us.
Other spawn points for minimal walking.
I think respawn is what we thought was our initial spawn. That little opening back there.
It's the best to use. Won't you follow me into the jungle?
Go, 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 go!
Streets of the jungle.
Oh, friendly, friendly! On your back! The guys who took alpha last time, that was awesome. Go do it again. Let's go!
It's the same religion, just a different name. Won't you follow me into the jungle? Ain't no God on my streets in the heart of the jungle.
There's a guy right in there. I'll go race him out. There's a guy over here coming.
Into the jungle.
Oh man!
Streets in the heart of the jungle. Won't you follow me into the jungle?
Another one, another one. Another one. Yeah! Yeah! North side! North side! Hell yeah! Everybody touch it!
Won't you follow me into the jungle?
This is the guy that.
Streets in the heart of the jungle.
This is the guy that ran for the ball. Right. Come on, Albert.
Into the jungle.
Good job on this. Full board. Full board. So we get.